Hi, good morning. My name is Carlos Mario Pereira Mendoza. I am 22 years old. I like in my free time to play football, soccer. I am from Chinu. Eh, I like Carbonero. In my last vacation, I was to the beach in Coveñas. Uh, I live my mother, I live my father, I live my uncle, his family. Uh, I am studying sports and management. My hobby is to go to the gym. My recipe is pizza pepperoni, ingredients tomato, one pizza mats, eh, mozzarella, pepperoni, grated, cheese, salami, oregano. Method step one, fires on the mat. We spread a layer of tomato paste with the help of a knife. Um, step two, then we placed a layer of mozzarella. Step three, later we count 20 slices of pepperoni and uniformly distributed. Uh, Step 4, we add a few pieces of salami billets with sprinkle grated cheese and oregano to our tasting. Step 5, we bake for 10 to 15 minutes and 118 great and ready. Eh, Thank you very much.